Dear students, welcome to Samveda E-class program, class 10th Science. Lesson 12, Sustainable Management of Natural Resources, Part 1 of 2. I am warmly welcome you to study the environmental science. In this session, the learning points are the reason for the destruction of natural resources, the need for sustainable management of natural resources, forests and their importance, methods of forest conservation, environmental partners. Dear students, living in harmony with nature is not new to us, because we are all part of the environment. Without environment, there is nothing. Being the part of environment, we have to know the idea of conservation of our environment and its protection. Sustainable living has always been an integral part of India's tradition and culture. What it says, this is called the entire world is like a home. We should live in peace and calm. Entire natural world be in harmony, which is reflected in the famous phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the entire earth is one family. Understand? Observe these pictures. You will come to an idea what is happening now to the nature. The entire river is polluted. What is the main cause of this? We know that we are the causer for this environmental pollution. What is saying? A fish is going to clean its locality, which is polluted by human beings. This picture shows that resources are polluted by some of our activities. Thinking is necessary to protect resources and our environment. There are also laws and regulations on international protection for environmental protection. Both the state and international organizations are working on environmental protection. There is increasing awareness in the society about the problems caused by the misuse of resources. Nowadays, there is a lot of concern about the nature protections. So, we are going to celebrate lot of days like environmental day, the nature day, forest day, like that. What is the main reason for this? This is only to protect our environment. Example, Ganga Action Plan. In 1985, the water quality of the Ganges was very poor. See the picture showing that the polluted Ganga river. The bacterium called coliform is found in the human small intestine. This is called coliform bacteria. It is found in the human intestine. What is the link between this coliform bacteria and the river Ganga? The reason is the presence of these in water indicates that water is contaminated by pathogenic microorganisms. I am showing you that the coliform counting levels in the Ganga river. See, in Gangotri, you are going to find the less number of coliform bacteria. When you go to Patna, Brahmapur, like that, you are going to see the more number of coliform bacteria level. Why it is that? You know that lot of industries are going to build at the bank of the river. They are going to polluting the river. Ganga river in 1985. This is the picture of Ganga river in 1985. It is so harmful to touch the Ganga river that scientists were telling that don't touch the Ganga river, that means it is highly polluted, even it is harmful to touch. But when we take up the Ganga river action plan after Ganga river project, now the Ganga river is going to purifying day by day. How much money is spent on cleaning the Ganga? Nearly rupees 200 millions has been used for the cleanup of Ganga river. In addition, human resources and time are also used. How much does the misuse of resources cost? So, think before act. Students, we need not feel powerless or overwhelmed by the scale of the problems. There are many things we can do to make a difference. Changes ahead, but only thing we have to think for the pure nature. So, you must have come across the 5 R's to save the environment. They are refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. These are the 5 R's should be adopted in our daily life to protect our environment. They are, once again I am telling you, refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycles are the 5 R's you are going to use to save the environment. Student, what are looking now? A plastic cover. Nowadays, this plastic cover becoming a big demand to the nature. See the pictures you are going to see how much we are using the plastic, how the plastic is going to harmful to the nature. These are the effects of plastic pollutions. Among the 5 R's, which R we can use to avoid this plastic? Yeah, that is have to refuse. What to refuse? This means to say no to things people offer you that you don't need. Refuse to buy products that can harm you and the environment. Say no to single use plastic. Carry bags. While going to shop, take your own carry bag, so that you are becoming a part of protecting environment. Understand? See, do you want this? If you go on using the plastic, the entire world is covered with plastic only. So, avoid the plastic. So, ban the plastic. Try to use the plastic bag which is biodegradable. Take your own carry bags while going to shop. Understand? Next R is reduce. What to reduce? See here, a boy is brushing the teeth, and simultaneously he is opening the tap, the water is going on. Nowadays, in daily life, we are all doing the same mistakes, that is, we are going to waste the natural resources unnecessarily. So, what to reduce then? This means that you use less, save electricity by switching off unnecessary lights and fans. You can save water by repairing leaky taps. Do not waste food. These are all come under reduce. One activity I am going to give you, think of other things that you can reduce the usage of in your daily life, because a single helping hand will becomes more hands when we are adopting the environmental protecting ideas. Think yourself, when you go into marriage functions, people will take lot of foods, but they won't eat everything, just they will waste the food and they will throw to the dustbin. In one side, in other side, the people, some peoples are going to starve, they become very hungry because they won't get sufficient food, amount of food. So, when we take less amount of food, this food, the remaining will given to the other peoples, so the hungry will be coming down. Next, reuse. What to reuse? This is actually even better than recycling, because the process of recycling uses some energy. In the reuse strategy, you simply use things again and again. The plastic bottles in which you buy various food items like jam or pickle can be used for storing things in the kitchen. See, I am showing you some pictures which can be reused. Now, you can, I think that you will get an idea how to reuse the things. It is nice, no? Repurpose. What is repurpose? Maru uddesha. This means when a product can no more be used for the original purpose, think carefully and use it for some other useful purpose. For example, cracked crockery or cups with broken handles can be used to grow small plants and as feeding vessels for birds. This is an example for repurpose. Think other items can be used as a repurposed things. I will give some more ideas which can be used as a repurposed things. See here, this is one example for repurpose. Another one, this one also. Only thing, should use your brain. If you have concern on nature, automatically you will get ideas for repurpose, reuse and everything. Next, recycle is important thing. This means that you collect plastic, papers, glass and metal items, recycle these materials to make required things instead of synthesizing fresh plastic, paper, glass or metals. Student, recycling of plastic, is it good for nature? I will show in a video for you, just watch and decide. Plastic recycling. It is time to think plastic recycling. Every day we use many number of plastics from bed to till the night. From morning to night we use many number of plastic items, but we are gone from producing 2 million tons of plastic per day. See how much polluting is going to happen in the seashores. Less than a fifth of plastic waste is recycled, remaining is going to dump as it is. It will be landfilled or burned. But keep in mind, burning of plastics makes air pollution, throwing of plastics makes water pollution. So, before using plastic, keep in mind that you are going to harm your own environment, you are going to harm your own home. So, try to avoid using the plastic, because all plastic items cannot be recycled again and again. It will be remains in the nature and it will cause many problems to the nature. It causes problems to the soil, problems to the water, problems to the air and also to the animals. So, think before think like that, think before using the plastic. Okay. So, avoid the usage of plastic to protect our environment. So, ban the plastic for the best future of the environment and also for the purity of the environment. Next thing, the concept of sustainable development encourages forms of growth that meet current basic human needs. It is preserving the resources for the needs of future generations. Economic development is linked to environmental conservation. So, everything is linked with the nature. So, why do we need to manage our resources? Why do we need? Because not just roads and buildings, but all the things we use or consume, food, clothes, books, toys, furnitures, tools and vehicles are obtained from resources on this earth. Keep in mind, we are not getting anything while we come to this world. Everything is getting from this nature only. So, should need to manage your resources, because resources is for all, not for single person. The only thing we get from outside is energy, which we receive from the sun. This is the only energy which is getting from the outside. It is the solar energy. Even this energy is processed by living organisms and various physical and chemical processes on the earth before we make use of it. Why do we need to use our resources carefully? Just I am going to give an example. Before 20 years, that is past 20 years, 1 liter petrol was around 16 rupees. Now it is 83, 84 rupees, because these are limited. The human populations increasing at a tremendous rate due to improvement in health care. The demand for all resources is increasing at an exponential. Another factor to be considered while we exploit these natural resources is the damage we cause to the environment. For example, mining causes pollution. See, I am going to show in a video how the mining is going to cause the environmental pollution. You are seeing the pictures, that the video which is going to tell you that how the mining is going to harm in the nature, because in mining lot of poisonous things like lead, arsenic is going to mix with the soil and water, is going to polluting the entire the soil and river. These are the, this is a simple example for you that you should need to use the resources carefully. Every action we are going to do is reflecting back to us only. Students, have you planted and nurtured plants at any time? Yeah, we all going to planting the trees in World Environmental Day. It is a good occasion to serve nature. It is a good occasion for you to nurture the nature, because nature is going to give everything to you. It is your responsibility to maintain it properly. Stakeholders. What are stakeholders? We all use various forest produce, but our dependency on forest resources varies, correct now? Yeah. Some of us have access to alternatives, some do not. When we consider the conservation of forest, we need to look at the stakeholders who are. There are mainly 4 stakeholders, they are called environmental partners. Now, let us discuss one by one who are the stakeholders. The first thing, the people who live in or around forest are dependent on forest produce for various aspects of their life. ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಈ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಗಿರಿಜನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. What needs of indigenous people are supplied by forest? Keep in mind, they depend completely on forest products only. See, this is the picture you are seeing, that the peoples are living near the forest, a simple life that they are going to lead. So, they depending on everything on the forest product only. What things they will get from forest? The local people need large quantities of firewood, small timbers and thatch. See, bamboo is used to make slats for huts and baskets for collecting and storing food materials, correct. Implements for agriculture, fishing and hunting are largely made of wood. Also, forests are sites for fishing and hunting. In addition to the people gathering fruits, nuts and medicines from the forest, their cattle also graze in forest areas or feed on the fodder which is collected from the forest. See here, they are going to collect some food and medicine items from the forest. So, the cattle are going to graze on the forest areas, they are going to collect medicines from the forest. So, these peoples are depending on the forest product. Students, do you think such use of forest resources would lead to the exhaustion of these resources? Do you think these peoples are going to harm the environment? Do you think? Keep in mind, the forest is not destroyed by these people. Forest conservation will be followed by traditional methods of forest conservation. If we are going to apply their ideas, it will help us to nurture the environment. If the forest department is trusted by the local residents, forest fires and wildlife destructions can be prevented. So, if the peoples living in the forest and also the department go in hand to hand, if they go by helping each others, the environment can be protected. The second stakeholder, the forest department of the government, which owns the land and controls the resources from forest. The forest department is the second stakeholder of this environment. Have you visited any sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries like Gibbon Forest Sanctuary, Bannerghatta in Karnataka, Ranganatittu? These are all maintained by the government. Students, this forest department owns the forest space and controls the resources available from the forest. The vast forest areas are converted into single cropped farmland such as pine, teak or eucalyptus. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಪರ್ಪೋಸಸ್. A major source of income for the forest department is the pine, teak or eucalyptus. Is biodiversity possible by simply planting the same trees? Is it possible? No. The environment means the forest is, the meaning of forest is different types of plants with different types of animals and everything. by planting the same types of trees is harmful to the environment. It will not help us to improve the biodiversity. Students, till now we are discussed many things regarding environment. Let us know whether how much we discussed and how much we understand up till this. Now, the quiz session for you. Just answer the questions I am going to give you now. A harmful microorganisms found in the waters of the Gangas is dash. Which is the bacteria? Yeah, that is coliform bacteria. An example for repairing a leaking tap and avoiding water wastage. Which are is example for repairing a leaking tap and avoiding water wastage? Yeah, that is reduce, that is also called moderate use. These aspects of 5R is the use of broken soil pods to feed the birds, which are, yeah, that is repurpose. Set these images with 5R. I am going to give some images, just think which R is going to applicable for these pictures. First one is, yeah, reduce, second one recycle, third one repurpose, fourth one reuse, fifth one refuse. Students, this is the main chapter for you which helpful to protect the environment. Now, homework time for you. I am going to give some questions for you, write the answers and show to your teacher. The first one is, name the 5 R's used in environmental protection. Second one, describe the areas you will follow to keep your school atmosphere clean. Address the need for a sustainable development concept. Once again, name the 5 R's used in environmental protection. Second one, describe the areas you will follow to keep your school atmosphere clean. Third one, address the need for a sustainable development concept. Next one question is, in environmental protection, describe the 5 R's that follow in your school premises and in your home. Once again, in environmental protection, describe the 5 R's that follow in your school premises and in your home. Next question, will the forest be protected by the trust of local people? Explain. Will the forest be protected by the trust of local people? Explain. Students, in the next session, in part 2, we are going to discuss on the environmental partners. The remaining 2 are there now, that one. The next, forest and wildlife, water conservation and fossil fuels. Our steps is to become eco-friendly. These are the remaining points are going to discuss in the next session. We just discussed on the 5 R's and also how to protect our environment. I am your Srinivasa KV, Assistant Master, GHS Kanakamakalapalli, Bagepalli Taluk, Chippapur District. Thank you.